The KTM 690 Smc R raises the bar in the supermoto stakes, thanks in part to a lightweight chassis, a legendary 690 LC4 motor and a sophisticated electronics package. Whether you express your tarmac-sliding talent on mountain roads or on the apexes of your favorite track, you'll be drifting into the future with a maxed-out grin and your veins coursing with adrenaline. The KTM 690 ENDURO R and KTM 690 Smc R have been the class toppers in their respective disciplines for over a decade. For 2023, that trend continues in typical KTM fashion, fueled by a true ready-to-go race package, and KTM North Canada Incorporated is pleased to announce details on the dynamic duo. The LC4 690 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine combines powerful acceleration from the very lowest revs with an outstanding free-revving nature and refined engine running. Another big plus is, besides the engine being extremely economical with fuel, it also has long service intervals of 10,000 kilometers, keeping running costs low. The smooth 6-speed gearbox with quickshifter plus allows quicker clutchless up and down shifts when you're on the gas in and out of turns. This not only enables the rider to be more in control of the motorcycle by keeping a full grip of the handlebars, but also improves rear-wheel traction. The KTM 690 Smc R features a 3.6 gallons/13.5 liter fuel tank, which acts as a load-bearing part of the chassis, making it stiffer and gives the rider an optimal feel.